Hello everybody, today I have one product and I will just see how it is working or no. So this is a chopper. It's an electric chopper and we will see what we are getting inside this box. So it has some blades, see, 3 blades. Okay, and just remove this covers and we will see that how they are advertised, and we will see that we will make a review of this live review. So we'll see if it really works the way they are advertising. Okay guys, we are removing this blade covers because there are 3 covers for the blade. Okay, and I'll just put that in this one, and first I'm gonna put the ice. You know, the ice is really very hard product to just crush. If we will see, it will really crush or not. So I'm just making it alive for you because this is very good. Okay, so I'm putting the ice now. We are closing in this way and we will just put it this one up like that. Okay, so I will hold these things tightly and then I will press it. We'll see. Okay guys, see this one I have used this one for like 10 seconds, like almost 30 to 40 seconds I grind it. See, this is the situation. It's really very nice, good product, highly recommended. If you find a good thing, you can just use this one. Good product you're finding somewhere, you can buy it, highly recommended. So guys, here is the meat. Okay, and I'll add this meat in this chopper now, and I will try to grind it, and I'll see it's working for the meat or not working. So just have a look it. It's closed perfectly, properly closed. Then now viewers, actually I made a big mistake which I shouldn't do it. See, there was a one bone inside, but it has removed all the meat even from the bone. But this is dangerous for these things. It shouldn't be like this actually. Also guys, here is the final product, and I have done a very big mistake because actually there were 3 bones inside the meat. So this is highly recommended, good quality. Take care. If you like this video, please subscribe channel. Thank you.